it's not like we place it on the nails because it doesn't have a condensed glue gel. This one might falling off. It doesn't have the condensed glue gel, so I'm gonna place it, and sometimes it's light, you know, so I'm gonna put it back in, and then I'm having this. So you can do them, pair them so well together, or you can do it by itself, or you can pair them so well together. Okay, and then I also have my SS. Oh my god, I like this. And as long as you place them close, tight together, you will never go wrong with them. I'm gonna just leave it, and you can use it with the beads. So when you place your beads, you can place them between the crystal and then crystal, or crystal with the charms, like right in between the crystal and the crystal, like right in where the joys is. And then we're moving on to the next one. I like this one a lot though. I want this one. I like this monkeys as well. Oop. And let's see the edge shape. So cute. It's so fun to create it, and especially it is free, so it's nothing better than it's free. All right, so you can place any of a crystal you would like to. There are different sizes, so I'm using some of size SS, like SS8 and SS6. You can put any SS you want. It doesn't have to be the size that I am picking. You can do SS3 as you prefer. SS4. I'm gonna put it right there to make some frame on. And then I'm gonna do, this is Crystal Ninja. I like a lot too. Right there. Oh my gosh. You know what? We're just working on this, but when you have these two kits, which is this one for free, but when you have the other kits, I'm gonna telling you, it's really cool because you can combine this crystal kits and the other one together, and you will never go wrong with this because it has so many different ideas when you will combine them, like so many shapes together. Okay, let me see. Oh, I want this one. I love this, the perfect heart. It's so cute, right? And it's so simple, and it worked for the short nails and the long nails as well. Maybe it's a little bit smaller. One's bigger. I love it because then you can get all the SS fillers right there. So we'll get 3 designs already, and then also keep in mind you can add some frame on. If you want 2 beads, you can put it between, and then you can do this one. I want to try this one. See how it's gonna turn out. Beautiful. And then fillers. The fillers, it means the SS. You will never go wrong with that. So remember, as long as you keep yours crystal, it stay really close and tight together, you'll never go wrong with that. And then it's even getting better when you are placing with your condensed glue gels and no wet top coat like Crystal Trifecta. It's gonna make it so much easier because they all are going to connecting right away. It's kind of like frame and everything together. Like that. Hey, so how everyone doing?
Everybody focus.
So far so good.
Yep, I guess it's a very quick reminder. Anything you see Nancy use, you can find them on our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. For this kit in particular, if you're in our early access to Black Friday deal, you know you're gonna get it for free.
And don't worry if you are not in the list of access, we will able to send another ones before the official launch to the public for everyone. So remember that is limited quantity and limited time offer. Oh, it's just adjusting a little bit. Look at it, it's just like spread it out. Okay, put it back in. This is cool though because you work on the dish, and also when you are on the cleanse nail, don't have to worry about so much, because if the designs that you are thinking of, like, oh, you might want to change it, you can definitely adjusting it however you want first before you go into cure. So you don't have to worry about it's going to set and dry before you are going to cure it. So I think I like it a lot like that. Okay. And then, don't go too long.